Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Cooking Craze application for your iPhone. So first, open your App Store. To begin, in the search box, search for Cooking Craze. And after you make your search, you'll be able to see this application in the search result. Simply go ahead and get the application downloaded. Tap the Get button or the Install button to begin the download. Cooking Craze is a simulation game developed by Big Fish Games. The application is available both for your iPhone and Android devices. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your mobile device. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to open the game. And that is how you should be able to download Cooking Craze on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.